It was summer 2012. Got this photo on the shelf of you and I. Our friends knew you and I would end. At the end of the month, we said we would run, but then your right came and they took you away. You were mine till the end of summer. Each day that I passed by that place, I wondered, could we try again, recover? Or was our love only for the summer? The summer, the summer. Oh, you were mine until the end of the summer. Just a couple 100 miles will separate us for a while, but I believed that we would be back at the end of the year. But it's like you disappeared and you moved on, gone. A new season has dawned. You were mine till the end of summer. Each day that I passed by that place, I wondered, could we try again, recover? Or was our love only for the summer? The summer, the summer. Oh, you were mine until the end of the summer. Till the end of the summer. Oh, oh. You were mine till the end of summer. Each day that I passed by that place, I